Hello friends, myself VV Bonkar, Assistant Professor, Research of Technology in Chilkar. Today in this video, I am going to find some first order and second order partial derivatives by using Euler's theorem. So here, in the first question, if the given function u is x into sin inverse of y upon x plus y tan inverse of y upon x, then we have to find the first result as x dou u upon dou x plus y dou u upon dou y, and the second one is x square dou square u upon dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou x into dou y plus y square dou square u upon dou y square. If I directly want to find this result, it will take more time and it will become lengthier. So for that, to make this one as simple, here I am using what? Euler theorem. Solution. Here given u is equal to x into sin inverse of y upon x plus y into tan inverse of y upon x. So to apply the Euler's theorem, first we have to verify whether the given function is homogeneous. If the given function is homogeneous, then only we can apply the Euler's theorem. So for that, so it takes as some equation number 1. So for that, so I will write this x, y and y are in capital term. X sin inverse of y upon x plus y into tan inverse of y upon x. So u is here, I will put this capital X as x into t and y equal to y into t. So there are different methods to verify whether the given function is homogeneous function or not. Here I am applying the simple method. X, I will take here x equal to xt and y equal to yt. So our equation becomes x into t sin inverse of yt upon xt plus y into t tan inverse of yt upon xt. Here this t and t get cancelled, the t and t get cancelled. So here t is common, so I will take here t as common. So remaining is here sin inverse of y upon x plus sin inverse of y upon x plus, so that is x into sin inverse of y upon x into y into tan inverse of y upon x. Therefore, u is equal to, here u is equal to, I will write this t as it is. So this is again u from equation number 1. So here we can see by substituting x equal to xt and y equal to yt, again we got u is equal to u. Therefore, the function u is homogeneous function of degree n is equal to 1. Here the power of t is 1. Therefore, by Euler's theorem, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to n into u. So this is the result of Euler's theorem. So this becomes x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to, here the value of n is 1, that is 1 into u is equal to u. Therefore, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to u. So this is our required answer. You can try this one by direct differentiation method. So again you will get the answer as u. U is nothing but given function. So I will go for the second one. The second one is, and the second result in Euler's theorem is x square dou square u by dou x square plus 2xy dou square u by dou x into dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square is equal to, the second result is n into n minus 1 into u. So this implies n is here 1 minus 1 into u. So this is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 into anything is 0. Therefore x square dou square u upon dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou x into dou y plus y square dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0. This is our second result. So we'll take one more example. If y is equal to x into cos u, then find x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus in second one x square dou square u upon dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou x into dou y plus y square dou square upon dou y square. Here we can see this is nothing but the Euler's theorem. So I will simplify this one. Given here, given y is equal to x cos u. So I will separate u here because u is here dependent. Here u is what? Dependent variable. X and y are independent variable. So I will take this x to LHS. So this becomes cos u is equal to y upon x. Cos u is equal to y upon x. So u is equal to cos inverse of y upon x. So I will take this one as equation number 1. Again, to verify the Euler's theorem, to apply the Euler's theorem, first we have to verify the given function u is homogeneous or not. So therefore, cos u is equal to cos inverse of, so that is in terms of capital X and capital Y. You here put x is equal to xt and y is equal to yt. So if I do this one, so I will get here u is equal to cos inverse of yt upon xt. So here t and t get cancelled. U is equal to cos inverse of y upon x. So that is u is equal to u. This cos inverse of y upon x is nothing but u from equation number 1. So at the end we got u is equal to u. Therefore the function is homogeneous. Here t term is not there. So the t power of t is what? 0. T to the power of 0 is again 1. So therefore u is homogeneous function of degree n is equal to 0. Therefore, by Euler's theorem, x into dou u upon dou x plus y into dou u upon dou y is equal to n into u. So therefore x into dou u upon dou x, y into dou u upon dou y. Here n is what? 0. 0 into u is 0. So this is our first one there. So again I will find the second one. I x square dou square u upon dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou x into dou y plus y square dou square u upon dou y square is equal to n into n minus 1 into u. So this implies n is here 0, 0 minus 1 into u. Again this is what? 0. Therefore x square dou square u upon dou x square plus 2xy dou square u upon dou y square plus y square dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0. 0 tending to is 0. So in this video we have seen how to solve the partial differential equation, how to find the partial derivative by using Euler's theorem. Thank you.